obviously, if I'm right about the primacy of the triangle, to thought, if I'm right that our grasp of the concept of truth and of objectivity is based upon intersubjective understanding, then there's never a point at which you can be a successful skeptic about either of these things. You have to know what other people are thinking in order to have any thoughts of your own. And you have to know what other people are thinking. You also have to know about the common world in order to know what other people are thinking. Indeed, it wouldn't make any sense to say you know what you think if you don't have some knowledge of these other two kinds. So in fact, the interdependence is complete. That is, you couldn't have any of these three kinds of knowledge without having the other two. Of course, how much of each of these you have to have is something that there's no deciding. It's just a matter of degree. But most of us have a whole lot of solid knowledge of all these three kinds. Because we're all thinking creatures, we have the basis for judgments about objectivity because we are in communication with other creatures. And we can't do that unless we know quite a lot about what is going on in their minds. So the interdependencies are complete, according to me, and that's why I say if I'm right about the social assumptions for thought and meaning, then standard kinds of skepticism can't get started. In fact, if I'm right about this, then what I announced at the very beginning would be a success. That is, we start out by saying, I think certain things. What follows from that? And now I'm saying a lot follows from that. It follows that we know what other people think. It follows that we share an objective world, and so forth.